Alrighty guys, so it's been a little while since the last little thing. So far we've gotten the fender on, and as you can see here, little paint difference. It's kind of hard to tell, but the original car is black. This is deep ocean blue, I believe. So we got this all off as seen in the last video. Right now we're just working on getting the getting everything clean. We got like a little bit of the grease and dirt off. I think I'm going to be putting the front end on first before I do the engine stuff. I'll be doing the PCV valve, spark plugs, plenum gasket, because in order to get back to the back spark plugs you need to do the plenum or the air intake, and then oil change, of course, power steering, windshield washer, and yeah, that's the whole engine thing. And pretty much after the engine, we're going to be working on cleaning the interior, taking out all the seats. Oh, and as you can see here, we got the handle put back on. Pretty much what that was is just someone must have just yanked it really hard and just snapped it, because the key thing was still in there. It's still bolted in right here by the door. So yeah, just pretty much the only thing that was missing was just the handle and like this little cap for the lock. But yeah, I haven't done really much else on the car besides the whole front end. Just got the door panel off, and I was just showing you guys probably why Tint saved this window from completely shattering. Yeah, the tint is the only thing holding this window together right now, and the only reason I was able to get out in pretty much, well, one, and then the thousands of little pieces that broke on the ground. But yeah, that's one of the reasons why tint is helpful. But yeah, it looks, we got the door off and then the window out, and then I might have to take off this whole entire thing to try to get the glass pieces out. This is gonna be a pain in the ass, but yeah, there's just a quick little update. We have the door off, fender off, and then we straightened up some of the frame right there, and then painted it with some just normal black gloss spray paint. Same with right there. And yeah, here we are. Okay guys, it's finally just a little warm out, so we're gonna start some work on the car and just get it done. We have pretty much the whole front end on, besides the hood and the headlights. But we're gonna go ahead and just take off the whole entire door. So we're gonna take off the door, put it in the back of that car right there, and then yeah, we're gonna bring it to the auto body shop where they can hopefully help me out. Pretty much all we have to do is just whatever, 6-7 bolts right there. The door should come off, and then the wiring harness. Yeah, and hopefully it goes well. Hopefully I don't break anything or scratch anything too much. But yeah, here we go.